Crea'Madonas, welcome back to the channel and welcome to all those who are new. Jumping right into this basket, you guys, we're doing a fall theme basket that is a tea basket for like a tea lover. So I got that little basket from Dollar Tree. I got the tissue paper from Dollar Tree as well, and I'm just showing you guys how I roll this newspaper so that it's not too tight so that you can get skewers through it. But believe it or not, for this video I will not be using skewers, you guys. I kind of wanted to challenge myself to do a basket without skewers. The skewers have become so convenient for me that I want to challenge myself to be able to build baskets without the skewers, because sometimes you don't have them, so you want to get to a place where you can figure out a different way to do things without the tools that you're used to. So I'm going to use this tea, this popcorn, the little fall trees, a candle, chocolate, a mug, some wafer rolls, and these cute little things here, and some sleepy time tea, some ginger tea. And I'm going to start by taking off the tag at the bottom. Take off all your tags, and then I'll put that tea. This was so cute, the little hay. I was like, this is perfect for a fall theme. I had no idea what I was going to do with it when I was in the store. I thought I would use it like shred at the bottom, but I didn't. I just used them as haystacks, and it came out super cute. So I'm taking the tag off of the candle. I make sure I take the tags off of everything if I can, and then I'm just going to place the candle up like that. And then this sleepy time tea, my auntie actually gave me a couple of things she wanted to put in this basket, like that instant ginger tea and the sleepy time tea, and she just was like, make me a little mug. But I wanted to make a full basket, so I just added on some things, and it came out super cute, you guys. So I just had to play with the placement, but she just wanted like a small little basket for someone who loves tea. And so I thought this would be so perfect because it is fall time, and I don't know, it just was really cute. So because I couldn't find my wire cutters, you guys, I just pulled the flowers off and placed these little leaves in different areas, and it came out absolutely perfect, you guys. So basically all I used to secure this stuff was tape, my packing tape, you guys. I love the Easy Start packing tape from Duck. Lord, I love it. Like, it works so perfectly. It's really strong. And now I'm just covering up the back of the basket by rolling a couple pieces of tape, one at the bottom where the basket is and one on the back of the little snacks and little tea there. So then I'm just going to secure it like I always do in other videos, you guys. And I'm just going to tape the tissue paper to the side of the basket as well as the tissue paper at the bottom. I'm not going to use any shred for this basket. You really don't need it. I was thinking about it, but I think it looks cleaner without. And then of course I'm using a shrink wrap bag and just tying that up. And I like to cut slits in the side so that the air can come out. And then I'm just taping the back of the basket as well as the bottom of the basket using the same Easy Start tape that I like to use, you guys. And so for this basket, I decided to go ahead and make a ribbon. Sometimes I use just a pull bow, but I had this brown ribbon here, and I was just like, I'm just going to go ahead and use this floral ribbon because the brown, of course, is a fall color. And so I thought that would tie in so cute with the other colors. And yeah, so I went ahead and made that bow there. Thanks to my sis Felicia. And yeah, you guys, I haven't made a bow in so long, but it came out good. And so I was happy with the way that it looked. And I went ahead and curled the side of the little, what is that? The other ribbon, curling ribbon. And this is what the basket looks like, you guys. This is a fall themed tea time gift basket. This was not, well, it was for sale, but it wasn't for sale. I mean, it was a custom order. I probably would have sold this for like $40 or so, you guys, just in case you're wondering. But this is what we have, you guys. If you liked it, leave me a thumbs up and a comment down below. Thank you all so much for watching. Until next time, stay crafty.